Jennifer. Welcome to the Quick and Easy Meals collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle, Jean Home Decor and More, Debbie Bubbles, and Jennifer at Home. Be sure to check out all of these channels. They'll be listed below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Today I am making hamburger salad. This is also called Big Mac salad if you choose to use a special sauce like Thousand Island salad dressing. Today I'm going to be making mine with honey mustard salad dressing. We'll be putting this on top of lettuce, and then we'll put the hamburger on, the cheese, and the wonderful dressing. It'll be just like a wonderful hamburger on a plate, but without the bun. This is a really great recipe for those of you who are doing a low-carb plan. I'll just put the lettuce on the plate. This recipe is so easy, quick to make and easy to eat. I have my pickles in a bowl and I put in my honey mustard salad dressing. I'm just going to mix this all up together. You could also use Thousand Island salad dressing. Now that we have our meat on, we're going to go ahead and start putting on our honey mustard salad dressing. Just drizzle it right over the top along with the pickles. Once you get the salad dressing on, there's only one thing left to do, and that's to add on the cheese. And there we have it, a wonderful, delicious, nutritious, low-carb hamburger salad. Whenever I get a craving to go out to the McDonald's restaurant for a Big Mac hamburger, I always think to myself, I can make this at home and make it much healthier and much more convenient. So that's what I do. I just whip it up in no time, and it's so delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try. And be sure to check out all of the other channels listed below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.